Hey, it's Nick with BDofABQ, and today I'm doing a dashcam review of the Blackvue DR750S 2-channel system that I purchased from BlackboxMyCar.com. First, let's get unboxing. Inside you get both the front and rear camera, the power cord to the rear camera, the video cable that connects the rear to the main camera, as well as some spare sticky back mounts, cable router mounts, a panel clip popper, and the SD card. Now make sure that you purchase a large enough SD card, as Blackvue claims that using any other manufacturer's SD card will void your warranty on the camera. So now for some sample footage. As you can see, it's not crystal clear. It is more than clear enough to work in the event of a collision that requires dashcam evidence, and it is good enough for me to make bad driver videos with, but it's certainly not the best dashcam footage that I've ever seen. So why did I choose to get this dashcam? Number one, the reliability. I got tired of purchasing decent but cheap $100 dashcams that got pretty good video but were very unreliable. I've never had a dashcam last beyond a year without giving me an issue except for my Blackvue DR650. That lasted me 5 years before giving me issues when I retired it. And number two, the cloud-based system. This camera gives off a Wi-Fi signal that you can connect with your phone, and using the Blackvue app, you can copy over clips and review clips. This way I don't ever have to take the SD card out just to copy a clip over. I can actually then use AirDrop to copy over onto my Mac, so I can copy over all these clips wirelessly, and it's a lot easier than plugging in a cable. Overall, I believe this is a very good dashcam, and I'm happy with its performance. I hope it holds up to the Blackvue name and lasts for years to come. I will be sure to keep this pinned comment of the video updated with how the camera performs over time. And if you'd like to buy one, visit BlackboxMyCar.com with the link in the description.